Okay. Question today is, do seagulls eat parsley or garnish? There it is, lined up on the table. They don't even look tempted, do they? Oh. They're looking. No, they're picking bits of leftover prawns. He is looking like he is not amused.
That's lemon, dude.
Nice close-up, buddy. Extreme close-up. Look how close he's let me get.
I know. It's crazy.
He's like, I better get a chip out of this. I'd love to give you one, buddy, but I ate him. Yeah, I know. Yep, that happened. Peeking down. I don't think they're amused with us. So the answer to that question I put down on the table earlier was no.
They won't eat it.
They do not eat the garnish.
They're not fans of vegetarianism.
No. They want the prawns and fish. Calamari.
I would agree.
And now, because someone else is eating, look at us. Look at the traders they've got over there. Yeah. Good chat, buddy. I wish I had something for you because you guys are staying with us. Yeah. Look at him sort of wandering up because what our food was in is there. And he's going, surely there's something left in there. Oh, you going to go the garnish? No. No, he's not.
They don't want to go.
What about you? You going to come in for the garnish? What if I make it, move it like it's attractive? How's that?
Yeah, like grass, do you, dude?
No. Not even interested.
Not even remotely. It's like, where's the chips? Where's the chips?
I'm just being stared at. They have this look of disdain on their face at me.
They would now because you've got no chips.
Yep, he's gone up, ditching you. 2 lone survivors. Stream close up. Hello, buddy. Yep, there we go. Close look at a seagull. Strike a pose. Oh, you're lovely. That's beautiful footage. Thank you, buddy. Did you just spit at me? He just spat at me.
No, he sneezed. He's got bird flu. Aren't they super cool?
They are cool.
Hey, buddy.
Good chat, little dude. Thank you.